back to my channel and welcome to 2022, you guys. I'm so excited about this year and about the content I'm going to be churning out for y'all. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, will be how to grow, how to blow up on Instagram using Reels. This is completely different from my usual content, but I thought this is 2022 and this will be so beneficial to all my subscribers and to anyone that pretty much wants to blow up on Instagram in 2022. I'm going to be dishing out how using Reels has helped me in 2021 and how I intend to use that to even grow my Instagram page much more in 2022. And you guys, this video is not just for content creators. Even if you're just a regular business person, but you are leveraging on Instagram to sell your products, you need Reels. So you know what you have to do right now is sit back, relax, and while we get into this video, and subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel and you're seeing this face for the first time. Let's go. All right, welcome back, you guys. Like I said, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you tips on how to blow up on Instagram, pretty much blow up your Instagram page, your visibility using Reels. This is 2022, you guys, and the whole movement on Instagram has shifted from posting pictures to doing videos, and from videos to doing short videos. All right, if you're not aware, Reels is just like is the Instagram type of TikTok. All right, and now the norm is doing short engaging videos because it has been established that the audience don't have that lifespan to start watching long videos and all of that. So you need to be able to catch their attention within the first 1, 2, 3 to even 5 seconds. Do you understand what I'm saying? So Reels is what Instagram is pushing now. As such, your pictures might not do as well as they used to do. Your regular 1 minute 60 seconds videos might not do as well as they used to do. And since Instagram brought out Reels, it has been pushing it a lot, like a whole lot. Every content that goes on the Reels platform pretty much just like skyrockets, and you need to leverage on that to grow your Instagram page, to grow your Instagram audience in 2022. All right, with that said, let me explain a few things to you. People often think that the only people that should be doing Reels or doing that kind of videos and all of that are content creators. As much as that is good because it helps you to grow your audience, it helps you to put out your information out there and all of that, Reels is not just for content creators, it is for every person, every single person. Read that again. Every person that is leveraging on Instagram to tell a story, every person that is leveraging on Instagram to sell a product, to sell a message. All right, so if you are a brand and you're using Instagram, or you have a product and you're trying to leverage on Instagram to sell your product, let me tell you the truth, using just pictures will not do it anymore in 2022. Yes, you heard that right. Using just beautiful pictures will not do it anymore. All right, the platform is changing, the platform is evolving, and one thing is you need to learn how to stick to a platform, or when you're in a platform, how that platform is changing and evolving, and you need to change and grow with it. So the first thing you want to do is learn how to create short engaging videos about your brand, about your product, or about the content that you're creating if you're a content creator. So what you will do is go to the Reels on your Instagram and try to look out for similar stuff in your niche. All right, look out for similar content that have been created in your niche. If you're in the beauty industry, if you're in the fashion industry, the food industry, or if you are a brand and you want to sell a product, look out for Reels that have been created selling similar products, how they did it, and then you can sort of like get ideas. I'm not telling you to do a copy and paste. All right, do not do a copy and paste. Be original, be you, and then try to use that as an inspiration to create your own Reels. Like that is the first thing that you would want to do, because you want to know how people are doing it and why it is a big deal. So go onto the Reels and then watch a lot of content, like digest a lot of content. That's where you know how it is being done. And pretty much Reels is really, really simple. It is just 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or even 60 seconds kind of videos, because some creators already have the ability to create 60 seconds videos. But if you don't really need to do that much. Like on the Reels platform, I discovered that 15 seconds, less than even 30 seconds videos, they do a lot more. Like they go so far. So leverage on that and create your content. So the next thing that you want to do after understanding how it works and how other creators or niche that you belong in are creating their reels will be to jump on trends. You guys, this is the quickest way to use reels and blow up your Instagram in 2022. It worked in 2021 and it's even going to work more in 2022. Jump on trends, all right? You might not be the type that can dance. You might not be the type that wants to like sing and dance, but there could be a trending reel that has a trending song. Jump on it. That's the secret. Jump on that song while it is still trending. I remember when Dorime came out, all right? Everybody was jumping on that one. Even like right now, the remix of Dorime, I have used it, all right? And so far, my best reels video is almost at 80,000 views because of that song. As much as my content was dope, it was also a trending song, a song that was trending at the time that I used for that particular content. And guess what? It is almost at 80,000 views. Yes, that is a lot. And it's not just the views, it is the engagement that you get and then the visibility that you get. So imagine a content that has 80,000 views. That should tell you that, you know, the reach has been over 100,000. And from that, you're going to get followers. You're going to get people that will buy into your product if you are a product person or you are a brand. You're going to get people that will want to like sign you up for content creation if you're a content creator. Pretty much you are blowing up on Instagram using reels that is trending. So jump on trends. Jump on trends, whether it is songs, whether it is dances, jump on trends. Okay, that is a major tool to blow up, or how to use your reels to blow up on Instagram in 2022. Another major thing would be try to make sure that the first 5 seconds of your reels are super engaging. People do not have the time to just be waiting on you to tell the entire story by 15 or 20 seconds. So make sure that the first 5 seconds of your reels is super engaging. It's already making somebody want to watch till the end. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if you're creating a reels on a recipe, maybe the first 5 seconds should actually be the main recipe that you created. Maybe a picture of you like maybe turning that soup or breaking that cutting that pie, or you know, eating that cake or something. Pretty much something that is going to make people want to sit back and watch it for longer, for as long as your reels is going to play for. So the first 5 seconds of your reels is super important to making people even want to watch. So make sure that the first 5 seconds is engaging enough. All right, the message you want to tell for the entire 30 seconds or 60 seconds, tell it within 5 seconds to make people want to watch till the end of the 60 seconds. Does that make sense? Good. Now, another tip you would want to learn is to make sure that your pictures or your videos that you are using for your reels are crisp and clear. This is 2022. Nobody has time for blurry pictures, for blurry videos anymore. So whether you're creating content on your camera or you're creating content just using your mobile phone, that is not an excuse. Make sure that your pictures and your videos are crisp and clear. This would make people engage in them. This will make people want to watch it, because personally it is a turn off for me to be wanting to watch a video and you know it is blurry, I'm not seeing everything clearly. That is a huge turn off. Another major tip that you want to learn on using reels to blow up on Instagram in 2022 would be subtitles. This is so important, you guys. A lot of people do not have or might not be in a space where they can hear you, where they can listen to the sound, but so long as they are watching the video and there are subtitles in that video, they are going to understand the message that you're passing across. They're going to, you know, engage with that particular content. So as much as possible, try to do subtitles on your Reels videos. I find that a lot of videos that do pretty well on Reels on Instagram, a lot of videos that blow up on Instagram Reels have subtitles in them. All right, so if you can, try to include subtitles in your videos. It is so important. Now, the next tip that you want to know, which is just like subtitles, is your audio. Your audio has to be good. If you are doing like a tutorial, make sure that you are audible enough for people to hear you. And I also find that people that do voiceovers on their reels, their videos tend to do a lot more better than when you're just playing a regular music. So it will make a lot of sense for you to create your videos and do, you know, a voiceover over the video, telling us what the video is about and all of that. And make sure that you are audible. Make sure that the sound is good. If you're going to mix your voice over with a bit of music, make sure that they both sync together. Do you understand what I'm saying? Not a situation where, you know, we can barely hear your voice because of the music. Make sure that it syncs together, because people want to watch something and they want to hear something that just makes them relate or want to keep watching that content. So be audible enough. Make sure that, you know, you use voiceovers for your videos. If you're doing tutorials, if you're selling a brand, don't always create reels the same way. Try to like mix it up. Do you understand what I'm saying? Try to mix up your reels as much as possible. These are my top tips on how to blow up on Instagram in 2022 using reels. I am using it. I have been using it. I'm still going to continue using reels in 2022. So if you found any of these tips useful, let me know in the comment section. If you've been using reels or whatever problems you've been having with reels, kindly let me know in the comment section so I could address them in the comment section, or maybe in a separate video. If you're not following me on Instagram, kindly go to Instagram and search Joy Etor. Follow me on Instagram and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be dropping much more videos on how to, you know, succeed on Instagram and here on YouTube this 2022. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.